Hello everyone, my people. I welcome you back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'll be talking to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a Nissan Maxima 3.5-liter six-cylinder from the years 2016 to 2022. This is an example of a Nissan Maxima engine. The first thing we need to know to figure out the location and firing order of the cylinders is to go to the front of the car, open the hood, and stand in front, facing the engine. The layout is as follows. The Nissan Maxima features two distinct banks of cylinders. One is positioned right next to the windshield, and the other is located directly next to the radiator. On the windshield side are cylinders number 1, 3, and 5, and on the radiator side are cylinders 2, 4, and 6. The firing order is as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, meaning the passenger side, then number 2. Next, cylinder number 3 fires, then number 4. After that, cylinder number 5 fires, which is on the driver's side. And finally, cylinder number 6 fires, which is also on the driver's side. Well, folks, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video. I hope you subscribe because I'll be uploading more videos about this topic soon. See you soon.